This is the ECOPAK food bag made by Hilltop Packs. This is the custom bag that we had them made for us. As you can see, it's got our logo on there. But first of all, do you need to buy a $50 to $100 food bag? Absolutely not. You can get by with a dry sack. You could potentially get by with a shopping bag if you really wanted to. Something then if you could have it being waterproof, so if you're hanging it from the tree. There are a lot of options out there. Here's just two of them for you. Now, if you do want to go super lightweight, you want to have a really nice bag made by a great company, I think this is a good option. This is the large bag. I don't have a small one to show you how small the small one is, but this one is pretty large. This bag is made from ECOPAK, which is just a really strong plastic material. It's waterproof. It's super strong. It's kind of noisy. There's a little clip here at the top. If you get a custom one, you can build them a couple different ways. You can get a flat bottom, which we did. And I think that's a good option because when you're chucking it on the ground, you don't have to worry about trying to make it not fall over. They have a built-in little strap here. This is where you would hang your bear line. They have two little latches here, so when you roll it up, you can see how noisy it is. Latch it on, and then you have your little hook here. You can get the bags in a solid color, which are much cheaper. And then they make some custom designs. There's some with bears waving at you, like bees' nests. They have some pretty neat designs. If you want to make a custom bag, you have to make a really large image and then you can upload it on their site. They've got instructions how to do that. Pretty simple. I think they did a fantastic job. The other option you have, if you look inside here, is a spoon stash, which is this little pocket right here. You can see. And I was on the fence about that. I'm still kind of on the fence about it. It works good for holding your spoons in there. The only thing I'm worried about is if you had a spork that had some pointy tips and then you rolled it up. And depending on how much food in there you have in there, if you rolled it up really tight, potentially that could hit. But if you have a spoon holder, it's probably not a big deal. But I actually like it because then you know where your spoons are. You don't have to go digging in your pack for them. We did get their ECOPAK rock bag. The one interesting thing about this, I'm not entirely sure what the weight is, but it's a much, much thicker material than this. You're going to be chucking this up in trees and smashing it on the ground. You can also get your bear line from them. They recommend this one, which is a little bit thicker line. They say it goes over the tree branches a little nicer. We've only used it a couple times so far, but it works okay. Do need to get a little winder thing to put in here so you don't have 50 feet of rope just in a big fat ball when you actually need to use it. How many days of food will this actually hold? I can't actually tell you that because it depends on what you take, but we did 5 days at Mount Rainier and I had my food in here and it came up to about here and it held it totally fine. One thing to note, if you are going to order a custom bag from Hilltop Packs, this one took about 4 to 5 weeks from order till we received it. So plan accordingly. If you need a bag quickly, you may want to get one of their standard bags. To wrap this up, would I buy this again? Absolutely yes. Would Kelly buy this? Probably not. If you're money conscious and money's a big issue, definitely you don't need one of these. If you want to show your logo, they have some pretty cool designs, and you want to go really lightweight, I think it's a good buy. Go watch this video next. You can find us at exploretrekadventure.com, and we'll see you next time.
Like a perfectly straight line where they clear cut it.